The next step is to enter duration estimates. But what is duration anyway? In Microsoft Project, the duration of each task represents the time span or window of opportunity during which the task work will be performed. To enter your estimate, specify a duration value measured in days for each detailed task in the project. Do not enter a duration value for summary tasks, however, because those values are automatically calculated by Microsoft Project. So let's go ahead and take a look now at how to enter duration estimates. The duration estimating process is probably the simplest step in the task planning process. All you need to do is to manually enter a value measured in days in the duration column for each task. The challenge you may face, however, is when you don't know what duration value to enter for a task. So let me give you some ideas for duration estimating. If you don't know what duration value to enter for a task, first, you could talk to your team members. If they don't know, second, you might talk to the team leader of your team members. If they don't know, you could talk with your fellow project managers and find someone who's managed projects like you are managing. If they don't know, you can look in your repository of completed projects. Look for projects like yours and tasks like the task in question. And if that doesn't work, enter your best guesstimate in the duration column, but then be sure and validate that estimate against the actual duration when the task is completed. So let's go ahead and enter some duration values for the Product 1 deliverable section of the project. For Design Product 1, I need a duration of 10 days, Build Product 1, 20 days, Test Product 1, 15 days, Rebuild Product 1, 5 days, Retest Product 1, 2 days, Implement Product 1, 8 days. As you can now see in my project, I've completed the duration estimating process for every task in the project. Let me give you a warning before we wrap up this video. Do not manually enter duration values for summary tasks. Let me show you why. If I enter a value in the duration column for the Product 1 summary task, Microsoft Project will convert the task from auto-scheduled, which is what we want, to manually scheduled, which is what we don't want. I already warned you at the beginning of this module, do not use manually scheduled tasks in your project. So I want to caution you, do not manually enter duration values for summary tasks. Instead, let Microsoft Project calculate the duration of each summary task as needed. Please pause this video now and complete hands-on exercise 3-3.